So we got ourselves a pretty important upgrade to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the rest of the Pixel 9 series. And this is kind of one of those, it's questionable updates, and the reason why I say that is because of how many updates there was. It's to a point where it feels kind of like a beta product when it comes to how many things they needed to fix. But listen, it's always great and amazing when a company goes out there and fixes all the problems that people are having. So let's talk about it. This does impact the 6 all the way up to the 9 Pro Fold, which obviously is what we care about the most on this channel, is the foldable phones. But again, this doesn't impact all of these. Audio fixes. Fixing audio stability performance in certain situations. Something that they will say in pretty much all of these is certain situations, or certain conditions, excuse me. And really is just, some of these are very small. Some, no one ever has these issues. Other people will have these issues. Fix an issue with device reboot while using a USB audio device in certain conditions. Fix an issue with Bluetooth range. General improvements for camera stability. Issue with a green tint on the screen. General improvements for system stability and performance. General improvements for network connectivity, stability, and performance. For the user interface, fix an issue occasionally causing the lock screen wallpaper to fade out slowly. Fix an issue in dark mode settings, stability. Fix an issue with delay in call notifications appearing in certain conditions. Fix an issue with layout and animations. Fix an issue with repeating color sections in wallpapers and styles. Fix an issue with the wallpaper and styles apps crashing. Fix an issue, swipe action. The swipe action was having problems. Fix an issue with notification, background colors in certain conditions. And then the Wi-Fi was fix an issue with wireless Wi-Fi stability and performance. Now, for someone who uses a Pixel 9 Pro Fold every single day, I can't say I've had any of these issues. But again, that's why they say certain conditions, because majority of people might not have these issues, but they're still there. And that's why they're fixing them, because eventually you might fall in the line of someone who has these issues because of this. So again, that's good. Nice to see, Google giving some updates there, even though the updates is an absolute paragraph. I think my biggest issue is that I'm used to Samsung's updates where it's like one line and that's it. Like Microsoft, back when we had the Surface Duo 1 and 2, their updates was a laundry list too. But that's because their device was very, very buggy and had its problems. I don't know. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions though, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.